I know what it's like to apply for job after job after job, guys, to hear nothing back. After months of frustration, guys, I realized I needed to take control of my own income. That's when I found Passive Digital Mastery, guys, and it changed everything. If you're tired of job rejections or just want financial freedom, guys, you don't have to wait for someone to hire you. No, you don't, friends. This course teaches you how to create passive income through digital products, affiliate marketing, guys, and automation. So you can start making money online even with no experience, even with zero experience. I spent months trying to figure it all out on my own, friends, but this course gave me step-by-step, take me by the hand guidance, guys. Now I'm building income streams that pay me even while I sleep. Even while I sleep, friends. So stop waiting for opportunities, guys, and create your own opportunities. Create your own. Click the link, guys. Enroll today and start making passive income now, guys. I'm here to help. Let me show you how. Come do what I do.